Hi, this is Advait, and now I am going to speak some statements to send compassion and strength to everyone in Himachal Pradesh and Punjab. This is also a kind of prayer, support, and solidarity. I place my hand on my heart and breathe in. With each exhale, I release tension and fear. In this moment, I am present, loving, and kind. I acknowledge the pain and uncertainty touching Himachal Pradesh and Punjab. I allow my heart to feel and I choose to send love. Where there is grief, I send tenderness. Where there is chaos, I send calm. Where there is loss, I send comfort and support. I am safe in this breath. Life supports me in seen and unseen ways. I choose thoughts that soothe and strengthen me. I trust that wise help, swift relief, and caring hands are reaching those in need. I send clarity for leaders, resilience for communities, and protection for every helper. I send blessings to every family, every child, and every elder. I surround doctors, responders, and volunteers with light and stamina. I see roads opening, supplies arriving, and coordination flowing smoothly. I send harmony for nature and safety for every being. I release guilt, panic, and helplessness. I welcome guided action and peaceful courage. I ask, what loving step can I take today? And I am willing to be part of the solution. That may through prayer, donation, a call, or a kind word. My small acts, joined with many, create real change. I hold the mountains, rivers, homes, and fields of Himachal Pradesh and Punjab in gentle light. I imagine shelter, warmth, and nourishment for all. I affirm the return of stability, dignity, and hope. I choose faith over fear. I choose compassion over judgment. I choose community over isolation. In my mind and heart, I build a bridge of love from me to those affected. With gratitude, I bless the present and welcome a safer tomorrow. May peace, relief, and renewal arrive quickly and kindly. And so it is.